Anova voters in an yam sumna both Tadari Bamakay. Laibakasi, Chakot Poporakani, vote Masinga Mahipasi, Mikal the Yanamar, we had a sip secretary, Prasan Kumar Singh of Fondokri, Ohomasi, in Paloski Lampin, the Laibasip electoral official Manipuri office, the Pangtoki Patara Mangasuba, National Voters Day to Akitam the Pongtokibani. Nothing like voting. I vote for sure have a Timda, CEO Manipur Sindra Pangtok Patramata, the sip secretaries in the Maka Taratuna. India voter Masinga Sik Road, Marpodrama upon Hele. Asuk Yanwa voter masing asina sub manabam niyamda vote hadaduna election counting numita haidokpasi kaluragadi yamna sauthu saningaini masiki thabagasi United States of America phawbana ngambanati haiki India ge electoral roll si yamna authentic oiba document haiba wafam sub secretary sina thamnaduna masi improve tawduna laklaba amadi lebak sugi yamna accurate oiba data ni haiki tharamaduda sip campaign gi photo exhibition amasu sip secretary na hangdokhi bagalaina usara sing thaki Tharangi Manungsana, Naunamin Chalaba Potter Singda, electoral photo identity card Hamadi, Vade Sing Kudol Tamki, Lona Sohi Sam Helaba, Centenarian Potter Singda Kudol Sutamki, Lona award of the prize in Suyan Toki.
With the same zeal, with the same common ideal of ushering in peace once again in the state, we should work on the same lines that the election department works. And I'm very sure that whatever we have lost, whatever we have suffered in the past couple of years, that will be overcome very soon. To the young voters who are there, to the students, some of you may not have turned 18, but those who are about to turn, just make sure that the future of the country is in your hands. The more you vote, the more sincerely vote, the country will go forward. I will just recall a small anecdote. My minister in the government of India, he was once mentioned to me, you have passed just one exam and you will be there for 35, 38 years. We have to pass an exam every 5 years.
Toramada Sip Electoral Officer PK Zana, Voters Day is in district level office, but level of peace of the national level the Tadapang Topa Tormamani, Masi Electoral Democracy ki Quality Maru Unit Hybidi, Voters Sibu Celebrate Jobani, Mamang Sahidapang Tokiba, Lok Sava Mikaladu, Stasi Yamna Fatkidabana, Pangtokpa, Ngangadra Haina, Mipai, Nerubani, Adubu, Mikal Ningtina Pangtopa Ngam Kibasi, frontline workers Siki Honazamani Haiki.
We observe and celebrate this day to celebrate the most important unit of the electoral democracy, our voters. We also will be felicitating the first-time voters. We also have amidst us centenarian voters who are above 100 years of age, and we are felicitating them that they have been the guiding light of our entire process and they have been with us, and I am very sure that with their guidance we will be doing the elections in future also as per the aspirations of the public.